it's me, and it's Wednesday. So it's Wednesday the 11th today. Oh my gosh, something going on out there. Ooh, I was working away yesterday, sat at my desk here, typing away, and I saw something outside in front of the window. So I had a nosy, and it was a traffic warden giving someone a ticket for parking on the path. I wouldn't have minded, but there was a bloody empty parking space across the road. Crazy. There's a lot of cattiness around here about parking. It's a nightmare. So yeah, that was quite amusing to see. I've got one myself before now. When we first got the car, I think it was. I didn't even think anything of it. I just bloody chucked the car there and went in the house, and yeah. Bloody air freshener. It shits me up every time. So what's today? Well, I'm feeling a lot better because I've been very poorly. I've had to work at home yesterday and Monday because I was still having symptoms. And obviously we've got to be 48 hours clear before we can even think about going in any care homes or people's homes or anything like that. The office, anything. So yes, it's given me a good opportunity to at least, start getting back on track with my work and everything from last week. So yeah, that's all going well. Plan for today is I'm going to drop Luke at college and then come back home, and I've got a full day of just bashing through loads of admin phone calls, typing up notes from meetings, that kind of thing, getting everything organised again. And yeah, and then I'm going to collect Luke back home. Oh, collect Luke, gym. I'm not sure if Luke will be going because he's had a bad chest. He's not too good at the minute, but we'll see. Anyway, food and video editing, I think, and that kind of thing. The cooker's decided to die on us, so I went to put the laundry on yesterday because I'm trying to stay on top of it more during the week rather than leaving it all for the weekend. And the washing machine wasn't coming on. No, it wasn't last night, it was the night before. And I thought, that's a bit weird. There was just no power. So Jay said, just test the plug socket with something else. So I did, and that wasn't working. So I thought, oh, well, it's the plug socket. And then Jay realised that hardly any of the plug sockets were on in the kitchen. He went down and they tripped out. So something had made them blow. And during that time, while I was editing a video, before I went in to put the laundry on, I was heating the oven up, ready to put the food in. Didn't even think about that at the time. Jay put all the electrics back on. I went to put the food in the oven and it was stone bloody cold. So it was the oven. So the oven is not working and I'm not impressed. Anyway, I've been talking with the estate agents and they're going to get the landlord to sort it for us. So that's not so bad. What it did do was kick me up the arse to give it a clean because it was not very pretty inside. So yeah, at least when they come it'll be nice and clean for them. And if I just stay on top of it till we move, then it's one less job to worry about, isn't it? Morning!
Hello.
The beast has arisen. How's your chest?
Just doing alright.
Oh, that's good. So what I'm gonna do now is just do a quick bit of video editing before I start work. Do a bit of work, take the beast to college, and then get on with the work day. My weight's looking good. I've had an email through to book my prescriber call, so I've done that. That's on Monday. They're doing good. I'm not completely on my arse without any medication or anything this time. So that's very positive. yeah, my weight isn't doing bad at all, actually. I think we'll see another loss by Sunday. So, yeah, quite looking forward to that. So, I will see you in a bit. God damn you. Oh, shitting hell. Get back, Shadrach. Thank you. Oh, piss flaps. Thank you. Hey everybody, it's me. So, I'm just on my way to collect my baby from college. God, in the name of Jesus. And then, what are we doing after that? Oh, we're going to the gym. That's right. We're going to the gym. And then when we've been to the gym, I've got to get back home ASAP and basically smash a load more of my work, because I just can't seem to get on top of it this week. Just never ending. Bless him. So yeah, it's a bit of a crazy day today. Oh my lord, there's never enough room for the cars round here. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so like I say, it's just a bit of a crazy day. I don't like going off doing stuff and then coming back home and carrying on working. My brain just does not like that. I'm like very, you know, I like things to be like linear, and you know what I mean? When I've finished work, I've finished work, and then I do my other stuff. I don't like all this like fannying about and backwards and forwards, you know what I mean? But unfortunately, that's the only way I can fit things in today. It's just the way it is, sadly. I'm just gonna have to suck it up and deal. So, this weekend I was planning to go and see my mum, because obviously I couldn't go last weekend because I was ill. I'm still not 100% if I'm being honest, but I wouldn't say I'm contagious, and you know, I'm out of the danger zone, as it were. So yeah, but then it occurred to me that it's Valentine's weekend, and I would feel really, really shitty going to Chester for the weekend and leaving Jay, because also Luke wants his friends over Saturday, and so I thought, well, that'd be like doubly shitty of me to do that. So I've said to my mum, do you mind if I come next weekend instead? So hopefully I'm not kind of messing up their plans or anything by saying that. I'm just waiting on her getting back to me on that one. Calorie wise today, so I'm just, at the moment, while I'm still not feeling 100%, I'm just eating what I feel like. I'm not thinking about, oh, you know, I need to eat this because I need my protein, or you know what I mean? I'm not being a dick, but at the same time I'm just trying to go with what I feel. Like the other night we had, oh, it was so nice, the lads loved it, which I was really surprised about actually, because it was quite plain and simple, but I've always just really loved it. I did some plain chicken breast and I seasoned it with salt and pepper and a bit of garlic powder and a bit of rosemary. Now, you wouldn't think to put rosemary with chicken, but I actually think it's really nice. And so I did that in the air fryer. I like put it on roast in the air fryer. And I did some really nice creamy mash and some sweet corn. And then on top of that we had peppercorn sauce. It's like this instant peppercorn sauce you can get in Iceland. And I've seen it on the shelf a few times and I've always thought, I bet it's a bit shit that. But actually it went really, really nice. And I've always loved just chicken and mash with a little bit of veg. And, you know, some kind of sauce like gravy or whatever. But it was so good. Oh my God, it was lovely. I really, really enjoyed it. And that was that Monday night? Yeah, it was Monday night because we were meant to have Hunter's chicken, and then we couldn't be asked going getting bacon. Which is good because again we've stayed out of the supermarket during the week, and I've managed to do that for a good while now, a good few weeks running. I've not had to go in a shop for any like additional items, or not that I can remember anyway. Maybe like 1 or 2 bits, you know, but yeah, we're doing really well with it, and it just stops us spending that extra money that we don't need to be spending. We had our prep meals last night, which was the pasta bolognese thing, but because the ovens broke, that was an absolute bloody faff to heat up. I managed to sort it in the end, but they're actually considering getting us a new cooker, because they're so cheap nowadays, aren't they? Like the basic fan oven things. So yeah, they're thinking about doing that instead, so they're gonna let us know on that one. Anyway guys, I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, it's me again. So I'm just on my way. I've just finished work and it's 7:45, and now I've got to go and collect Luke from his friend's house. And when we get back, then I'm going to make tea and try and do a meal plan and a shopping list if I've got any brain left. And then I'll be going to bed, I think, because I've had enough of today. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, it's me. So, what a long day. I say that every damn time, don't I? We've had tea and I've got everything ready for tomorrow. So I'm in Lytham tomorrow for work. So I'm doing a little bit of side work for my manager that she's asked me to pick up as like a, yeah, just random stuff that she needs sorting out. So yeah, so I'm doing that tomorrow in Lytham. So I'm looking forward to that because it'll be a nice drive out, and I like Lytham and Blackpool and all that kind of area. The weather's not going to be very nice, but hopefully it'll still be a nice drive. And yeah, what else? I've not actually had chance to do the meal plan and the shopping list yet, so I think I'm gonna actually try and do that in bed on my laptop. 9:20 now, so I've got a bit of time. I'll see how far I get before I fall asleep. So yeah, I'm going to take my face off and then get the laptop on and see what I can do. I mean, the great thing about this meal prep that I'm doing is that I've got like a 3-week rotating menu going at the minute. I'm feeling like it's getting a little bit samey already though, so I might actually do another week's worth of meal ideas and add that into the mix. and just rotate 4 weekly. I've got a couple of meal ideas already, so I only need like 3 more to do like the full week's worth of meals, really, don't I? So yeah, so I'm going to work on that, I think. Calories wise, today I've been all right. I mean, I was very tempted to go to McDonald's this morning and get a porridge, and although they're like, I mean, the porridge with jam is like 220 calories ish, I thought it's processed rubbish, really, isn't it? Although it's porridge, it's still McDonald's at the end of the day. So what I did was I drove home and didn't go to McDonald's, and then made myself that oatmeal, and it was so nice. It was really, really good. And I put my protein powder in it as well. I couldn't actually eat all of it though. It was really filling. That's today, guys. I feel really like stressed and grumpy and mithered today. And it's not my hormones. I think probably I just need something fun to do, because I don't do that very much, do I? I just work, and like life stuff. And I don't do much fun stuff. It just occurred to me earlier, I was just like, you need to get a life, love. I was actually thinking about going to like some kind of class or something, wasn't I, before Christmas? And I never really got around to like trying to fit it into everything, and I should do, really. It's not good, is it? Like working and doing all like the practical shit, and you know, I need something for me, don't I, really? And just something that I can look forward to, and you know, something to focus on myself a little bit, really. So yeah, I'll have a think about that. Anyway, guys, that's the end of this vlog, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.